Morning guys, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to a new episode, and in today's episode we're going to be taking my super cheap Ford Focus Z-Tech S to the local body shop. We're going to get some body work done on that and hopefully we can continue on that. But I've got a bonus today. I just received a phone call and my local Mercedes have just told me that my parts that I've ordered for my super cheap flood damage Mercedes GLA is in, so we're going to stop off at that, get that from Mercedes, sort out all we can today in terms of dropping off the Ford Focus and what's not. So busy day planned ahead. Let's get out the house and let's get to it. Back again guys, so we've just pulled up to H&A Autos and they're the guys that's going to be doing my jobs for me. So let's see what we can pull up from today. I'm very excited today, very excited. Quite a busy day planned today. So as you can see, on the go again, and I'm off to Mercedes in Stratford, East London, and I'm gonna go pick up the headlight connector, some wiring looms and some other bits that I need to wrap up my 2019 flood damage Mercedes GLA. So let's see if we can get that sorted. Guys, if you like what you're seeing, please hit that like button. I will be very appreciative for that. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and make sure your bell notifications are on so you don't miss any videos that I might post about any of my projects. And like I said, we're going to be growing and just taking my channel further and further. Well, that's my plan. And I would like for all of you guys to join me for that journey. So feel free, if you've got any questions about how I got my cars or where I get my cars from, please check out my video. I'll put the card in the video up here. Check out my video on tips and tricks for bidding on Copart, because Copart is where I get all of my cars from. So if you've got any questions, please let me know in the comments and I will respond to you. So yeah, let's crack on with the day and see where today takes us. Right guys, so we're back here on my 2019 Mercedes GLA. Today we're doing some electronics. I showed you that connector that we needed to sort out, so we're going to sort out the connector. And then hopefully we can take this car on a test drive, first test drive, now that it's legal with the lights and everything working, and see how it gets on. So let's get into it. So when I'm soldering, I like to use the solder with the flux in the core, and it just cleans it as it solders at the same time. Really good stuff. So if you're ever doing any soldering jobs, make sure you get the solder with the flux